What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we live, baby. What's going on? What's up, Leon? Yes, sir. Appreciate that, man. Hit the like button, please, as you guys make your way in. Well, it is a new month, and we're looking a little different today. Why? This is Webull, and I am going to be paper trading today and probably the rest of the week. Um, Last month actually finished up not bad as far as red days and green days, and being profitable the last couple of weeks. Um, but I mean, I was skating the whole time, bro. Like I was skating, each one of those red days was crazy huge. I mean, this whole time since deciding to do this, it's been like a small account challenge. Like literally day one, I was at $633. And so I've been risking, massive percentages of my account every day, you know, and it's pretty tough psychologically, I think, to try and tightrope that for as long as I did. And I think I'm going to try it a little differently going forward. And for this week, though, I'm going to be paper trading. Um, yeah, so that's what it is. But yeah, Friday was that Friday? Yeah, Friday, man, spazzed out. I lost one, I was down 1R when I got off the stream, and just kind of sat here the rest of the day, and caught some really good trades, man. And but I don't know what it is that happens that where it's like, I guess it's Pooh Shiesty mode. What's up, Three Pony? Wave Rider. It's Pooh Shiesty mode, and I don't know why Pooh Shiesty thinks that thinks that he's gonna be able to trade you out of a situation using something other than the strategy. So I was taking my setups and then I was trading other things too, like so unnecessarily, man. Because whatever that stock was, BM something. I mean, it was hot enough. It was giving, it was constantly resetting and giving entries. Not constantly, but it was enough to take, 2 or 3 trades on, um, within my strategy. But that wasn't enough. And yeah, that day was like, I think I had like $250 in my account that day at the beginning of that day, so um yeah, just even like last month, being up like I was and then actually taking a withdrawal out of the account. um what up, King? Like, it was like right when the account was getting the cushion that it needed for me to be able to have some mental room. I just snatched that right away from myself and put myself right back on the coals, you know. Yeah. Um, I think when I was first getting started trading King, I was gonna go with Charles Schwab, but I think you needed to have like a $500 deposit to get real time data, and you didn't need that with Webull, so I went with Webull. And then I've just been, used to using Webull. But yeah, over trading is crazy. Yeah, yeah. And it's like, is there really is there that's the thing to me, Leon, because it's not over trading if you're taking quality setups, right? If you're just consistently, if you're able to maintain patience and only take high quality setups, then cool. But I'm not even like considering the mental fatigue of trying to stay locked in for that long a period of time. You know, yeah, taking trades to trade. You sit there long enough, man. Cause like when I'm locked in, the process of being locked in is constantly talking myself out of trades. Like the ability to constantly evaluate and be like, nah, that's not it. You know what I mean? And man, it just wears on you, bro. After watching stocks for hours and hours, man. It's just like, yeah, your lockup stand. I'm telling you, bro. It's just like the fatigue, man. Yeah. Yeah. So it's not like, yeah, that's another thing I forget in the moment is these other reasons why I put that end cap. Mogo. Yeah, man. Yeah. Good quality sleep, eat right. Yeah, man, that's the hardest thing for me. That's the hardest thing for me is trying to get some sleep. I see you. I see you, T-Lo. That chair. Hey, man, I'm gonna throw the cash app up. We take donations for the chair, man. If y'all that mad about it. Yeah, it's actually pretty comfortable, man. What up, Trex? It's actually pretty comfortable. I don't have too many problems with it. Ain't no way. Just a little ashy, bro. It's cool. ATXG. What? $1.40. Nah, dog. 29 milli. Yeah, man, just a little ashy. That's all. Chair been real good to me. Chair been holding me down, bro, through the good times and the bad. Maybe a reset would be good on them kind of days. Get up and leave and come back. But just to sit here from an hour before the open, like just sitting here staring at, bruh. I ain't even went over them trades from Friday yet because I know I'm gonna be so disappointed in myself. But cold plunge. Yeah. I was doing that actually. The apartment I was staying in had like a water main issue, and the hot water tank was off for the whole weekend one time. And I was like, I just mentally was like, well, you know what? I've been wanting to do the cold shower thing in the morning anyway, so here we go, you know. And I did it in the bruh. It was like it was amazing. It was amazing. Yeah, it ended up bad, micro dime. Bad, bad. Yeah. Brutal. Yeah. Actually, man, I think I want to get away from the energy drinks for sure. And I really just want to clean up my diet, man. I think the diet is the answer to everything. But it just takes a lot of intentionality to really clean up your diet. It's hard. Um, indicators. Um, Appreciate it, King. All right, so yeah, man, I got Mogo and ELWS, which looks like it's probably not gonna do nothing. I don't know. We'll see. I really don't want to mess with it below 366, so I don't know, man. I mean, at this point, I guess you could trade it up to that point, but where's the volume at here? Got no volume. I really don't care for overlap volume. All right, I guess that's the open, huh? Way up there. Really? Man. What benefits do you get from it? Hmm. Interesting. Mm-hmm. Come on down. Come on down. $311. What's up, Red Devil? What up, Nova? Nah, I'm just in purgatory right now, Nova. Taking a little paper break. Paper reset. ELWS. Trying to retake 3 over here. What up, Trey? Trend line Treasy. Changing my standards. um, Possibly. DAIC. What is that, bro? Top fans. Dang, that's cool. Hmm. What's this DAIC talk, Trey? I thought we settled on our two already, bruh. Bruh. Stop it. I need that Michael Jordan meme. Stop it. Please. Focus. All right, look at ELWS over here. Man, how low did Mogo dip? Side chart things. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right here. It said 311. Got down to 315. Not be done yet. That's a pretty vicious slap right there on one. Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa. It looks really nice on the 15. I can see it. Man. What is Mogo? Mogo Incorporated. Oh yeah, Canada Square. Miss song getting out. Yeah, I like the way it's trading for sure. Really nice. Man. Almost got that level picked off, man. 4 cents away. Yo, what up, HH? Dean. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the like button on your way in, please. Pop the balloon. Black Beauty Machine. What's going on? What's the catalyst on Mogo? 4 million shares to move 40 cents. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I thought that was the first kind of flag that I saw when I saw it was that the float was huge. But it sure was moving nicely in pre-market. Like it didn't care anything about the float. Thing was rolling. Isn't terrible. It feels terrible when when we traded them under 1 million sometimes. Yeah, I need that thing back to the EMA. It's got a big pullback to do on the 15. Yeah, in my rule thing. Yeah. Um. Hmm. Um. I'm kind of formulating a list of sell signals. Yeah, those are my two OG. Man, Mogo look like it's gonna go. That's a pretty nice little pattern on the one, kinda. Micro floats. DACI. Am I typing that right? Do I not have access to that? Webull, like, man, we don't trade that crap over here. uh, DAIC. So there's a micro float. What's the daily on this thing? Is that the daily? Good lord. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Yeah, that's wild. For what? Yeah, this guy is looking pretty dead there. Looking pretty dead. And I ain't want it under 367. And it ain't even now it's under 267. Trizash. Mogo. um yeah, it is, Ben. It's what up, Brian? Yeah, I'm in paper trading right now. Um the thing with wanting to sell by like reading and reacting is is it's really hard to not be affected by the most recent previous outcome. Like if you feel like you sold too early last time, you're gonna be more inclined to not sell early this time, even if you should, and vice versa. Yeah, what up, Knives? I'm paper trading today, probably the rest of this week too. Um, Doing a little reset. Um, well, I mean, I was tight roping last month and pretty much came down to Friday and things got out of hand after the stream. my little my little couple hundred out that I had sitting in there is no longer sitting in there. So to be continued. Um yeah, for sure. Um but yeah, I don't it's something I think I can get good at for sure. But at least if I can not let those trades that I don't take profit on turn to losers, I'll be okay. I mean, there's some trades where there's only one pop, and it doesn't uptrend after my entry. It does a quick pop, and I could have made some money, but overall it doesn't do what I got in for it to do, which is to actually uptrend. And then there's trades that do what I wanted to do and do uptrend, and I don't take profit on those because either I have usually because I have some kind of expectation uh that I'm holding out for, which is making me disregard the sell signals that are on the chart, or the fact that it's the third high in the trend. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Yeah, that's true too. That's true too. LIXT. Yeah. Yeah. I just I need a fallback plan, like if it doesn't do what I'm thinking it's gonna do, where I can like, all right, it didn't go right to where I thought. So I got to take profit here instead of there, instead of not taking profit at all, you know. LIXT. Did I look at that already? Oh, I'm looking at it right now. Okay. Um, hmm, 12 million on Friday. She's a squeezing. Yeah, no doubt. Hmm. Yeah. Nah, bro. I'm telling you, Red Devil, the strategy's fine, bro. The entries are good. The entries are good. Um, yeah, I'm definitely not about to trade this. So, uh, Mogo. Oh, really? Hmm. The rules ain't working. Wow. This is Oh yeah, this daily though. It's trash. I see the setup though. Ain't really no volume in any of these days to worry about, honestly. Hmm. But the pre-market, like, sheesh. OG and heavy. Any suggestions? uh, is this the first halt? It'd probably be good. Just sell when it opens. It's beat up pretty bad, so I mean, I would expect it to have to pull back quite a bit before make. I don't know. I don't know. Hmm. No, I feel pretty cool with the stream. I don't feel like it really pulls on me that much. I mean, maybe sometimes I end up trading a stock, you know, that I would not have traded. But it's kind of the same if I had the scanner open and I just pulled up a stock off the scanner. I just have to have, the discipline to stick to my watch list. But no, I feel pretty comfortable. I actually feel a lot more reckless when I'm not on the stream. It's like nobody's watching. I can do what I want now. The bane of lots of traders is when they're trading and they suddenly think they know something. Yeah. Nah, the scanner should like I don't have my scanner window open at all right now, and it should definitely be off for me after I've selected my stocks. Yeah, nobody telling me to stop. I'm telling you, bro. Yeah. Yeah, and it's just a lot of little stuff like that, and uh, like that trade I took Friday, entering after that highest volume of the day red candle, which is an obvious sell signal. And on my best day, I put a line over the top of that candle and say we need a higher high over that, or a complete reset of the trend. Instead, I just bought it. Yeah, yeah, no point in looking at this. Yeah, Mojo got the nice reset. Just don't have a high. The last high is way up here. But this is my daily support line that I drew over the high of this candle on this candle here from May 13th. 132 million shares traded up to 273. So it's not a bad level to hold. Oh, yeah. I thought you weren't doing that no more. I thought it was all triangles. Because this joker's in a breathtaking downtrend right now. It's breathtaking. Oh, okay. Um, Probably the rest of this week. All right, that's what's up, Trey. Yeah, appreciate it, Paul. uh, yeah. Look to the left. Nah, I just gotta change the discipline, man. I can show you better than I can tell you. Yeah, yeah. What you thinking, Trey? It's looking better and better. Yeah, that was a long time ago, Red Devil. It's looking good. Yeah, that's a nice candle. Not giving it 30. Oh, wee. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Dang. You get some 12s, Rob? Man, what's up, Traders Hub? Yeah, my bad. Yeah, I appreciate that, man. I missed you guys for sure. For sure, man. That's what's up, bro. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out, man. Yeah, man. That's what's up. All out 12-17. All right, then. Nah, no way. Man, appreciate it, Traders Hub. Yeah, DAIC is rolling, man. Rolling. What's they got some great news or something? I'm definitely looking forward to 1K, man. I'm definitely looking forward to 1K. No news, just Billy and Blake, man. Yeah, they buying the heck out of it. That's crazy. It's got to be like a Reddit pump or something. Yeah. I'm in timeout right now, Traders Hub. So I'm gonna be in Webull paper trading for probably the rest of this week. Gotta get my act together. Hey, thanks, Smiley. Yo, appreciate it. Road to 1,000 subs. Really? Man, I need to watch my streams. Man, that's super cool though, bro. Yeah, man, I'm in the paper lab, man. I'm in the paper lab contemplating my next deposit. I mean, it's been pretty much a tightrope this entire time. Like I've been basically doing a small account challenge every month. So you could say both. Yeah. Yep, Nova. Nah, how could I blame my rules? My rules make money. Yeah, I got a buddy of mine that keeps um suggesting places like that. I don't know. Every time I look at it, I can't really make my I can't I don't know, it doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't sound like a worthwhile switch, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, I was on my way last month, but as soon as I had some money in there, I pulled out. I made two withdrawals last month, and just took away all my cushion, you know, and just put myself in a really difficult place. Um, to where, the first big red day was like, wow, and then to have a second one, it just put me in a completely different place than I was, on the upside of things. And man, it was just like slippery. It was just like a complete mental reset, man. Yeah, man. Appreciate it, Traders Hub. It's all good, OG. Yeah, good looking out, Nova. Yeah, people like Red Devil make they're necessary on the journey to make the victory that much more sweet. If it was just a breeze without any difficulties. Like, all right, that was cool. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt. uh, Nah, I don't know, man. I feel like I don't know. I don't think I'm crazy in believing that my strategy is one worth trading. Um, as far as finding the setup, the entries, and like all that stuff, man. Maybe my take profit strategy could use some tweaks for sure, but um, like when I'm locked in, man, I feel like I've proven it, enough times to say that I got something here. You know, I got something. I don't have nothing, and I don't think it relies on hope. I think it takes advantage of a very cyclical process that almost every stock goes through when the price moves up, which is making higher highs and higher lows. I think it just happens all the freaking time, you know. Yo, Brian, what's up, man? That's super cool, man. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, that's literally the whole difficulty. And I just feel like you ain't if you've been around long enough, you could see enough of my wins and losses to see that generally my losses come from me not trading my strategy. Man, you know, yeah, Brian is my guy, man. He been rocking with me for a minute. Appreciate you, man. Um, yeah, but it's like it's the same issue that I would have if I decided to do it your way, Red Devil. Then the issue would become, it would be a list of other issues for not following whatever rules you would have me follow and doing whatever you want me to do. It would only work. I would only be successful the times that I did exactly what you said I should do, right? Because you're 100%. And then the times that I either waited or FOMO'd in, or sold too early, then I would lose money. Um, I think it should be in the description. Trader sub. It should be an invite link in the description. Yeah, come on in, man. Come on in. Yeah, I got Trader Sync. Yeah, I use Trader Sync. I got that link in the description too. But yeah, man, come join us in the Discord, man. It's a cool vibe. But yeah, that's the issue, Red Devil. Name is Q. All right, bet. Awesome. Q in the house. That's good. Hmm. Yeah, it's definitely looking like that. But you know, the 15 might want to do something. It needed a pretty big pullback. Also needed some kind of high to be able to make a higher high over options trader. Okay, okay. I don't know, man. ELWS over here doing the dance. Yo. Mm. No, man, this thing might be coming back to life right now. VWAP is way up here though, huh? Yeah, this one of them ones where you just get little pops. Never makes a new high. A little lower high pop and then fade. Yeah, let's see. BBAI, wow, DAIC, boy. BBAI, what's up, technical? Got the potential breakout day, eh? Yeah, she is running. This would have been nice right here, boy. Never seen a big float move. Man, you go check out my streams from last year, bro. They were like exclusively big floats. All I was trading was Baba and MU and PLTR, SMCI. GER is such a ridiculous ticker. uh, That's a nice pop. That's a nice pop. I sure like this price range too. No trading no more. 0 trade day. Dang, bro. Yeah. It's definitely looking like that kind of a day for sure. Yeah, this thing's way under the line. 3 million shares. It's traded 50 million today. I'm still kind of figuring that out myself, Nova. Like, I thought Mogo was pretty high today, which is 20 million float. Um, but apparently that's not terrible. But from just trading them the last few months, it seems like the below 10 million um, are really nice. Yeah, they are a little scary, but not that bad. Yeah, DAIC is the one. It is the one. I mean, lots of wicks. $1 million plus float, yeah. Potential to 100. METC, wow. Yeah, that part, man. Halting pasture stops. That's the. I'm pretty sure that's what made me stop trading small caps. Like having your stop loss at -1R and losing like 3R because not because you weren't being tactical, but because your order got slipped down. Like, bro, that ain't even fair. Like, why am I even playing in a game where this can happen? You know, that type of stuff. Like, but that's also why, the level of risk I had that I was risking in regards to my account was ridiculous. And I would argue unsustainable for the period that I was trying to sustain it. I think if I did not touch any of my profits and I maintained my risk, I could have survived a little bit longer. But yeah. Oh man. Yeah, see, I don't that's why I don't like swing trading either though, Knives. That's not fair, bro. I need my stop. I need a guarantee on my stop, bro. Isn't that real? I feel like I've heard of that before. Like guaranteed stops. What you talking about? Which one you talking about, Rob? You talking about DAIC? 50R unrealized. Whew. If you want fair, don't trade. Yeah, I guess you got a point there. That's what I mean. I'm here, you know. Yeah, it's rolling. It's going straight up, bro. Like I don't have I don't have a move for that. I don't have a move. I don't have a Billy move. It's got to calm down eventually. Like the pullback is imminent, right? Right, guys? Yeah. Yep. I got a little side eye on Mogo. There's the pullback. Yep, 15 back to the EMA, you know. Yeah, LWS still struggling over here. Hmm. Yeah, I mean, it feels undeniable. DAIC. See, I gotta jump in the swing channel in the Discord, man. Got a couple people in there that's been posting pretty regularly. You guys should join up. Hmm. What you talking? No, I'm not. I'm talking about for y'all. Yeah, I'm not. That's later for me. Yo, what's up, Joseph? Appreciate it, man. 5 minutes until EPH. Europa. uh, yo, Mogo might. What is this? I really don't want to move that line though. Let's color this one red. Yeah. Um. hmm. Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of what my big problem was, Uncle Paul, is just the level of risk that the percentage of my account that I was pushing was it was too much for too long, man. I flipped into Superman mode for like 3 weeks. It worked out great. I took the profits and then there was my cushion as well. And so doing it that way, I would have to be perfect, for a very long time. And trade the pool. How much is trade the pool? Thanks, Trey. Uh, mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't know. I really didn't want to mess with this ELWS below 366, but it's kind of gotten so far away that could be a target. It's really starting to look good though. ELWS. I mean, I got the higher high. We got the EMA reset, right? We got the higher high. And so now just want to see if the higher low will hold this previous high, which was 280. The 15 definitely looks good, but I don't know. These two low volume candles don't look good actually. Yes, I have that issue too, Brian. I have that issue too. Yeah, this thing might go. This was really like a cool spot, but you just can't tell if this is going to be this is a lower high at this point. So I want to dive in there. But yeah, it's looking good. SON. Mm. Got a fat little resistance level right here. Mm. BBAI. You got the breakout, huh? Let's see. Getting squeezed out of there now. Nice. What's up, Kissnut? Nah, I'm just using Webull to paper trade for a few days. Yeah, WS. Things almost doing too much. Need to calm down. Man, super nice reversal. I'm just waiting for the pullback now, Trey. Well, send me some money, Red Devil, and I will attach it. I will attach it. Yeah. Oh, nah. Come on, Jack. What up, Santa? Right. Dang, bro. ELWS is looking good. I need that pullback, though. It might not come. It might not come. It might not pull back, man. This might be as good as it was going to get. Hmm. Man, but it's all inside this day. This whole daily was dependent on this thing opening up above this resistance. Even though it's only 3 million shares. This day is 52 million, so actually doesn't matter that much. Oh yeah. Mogo the downtrend. Oh, the downtrend. Ooh, I like that 15 turning green. But then it made another low. 5 minute hammer time. Yeah, that Joker is nice. On some volume too. Okay. 15 is definitely shaping up. Yes. Hoping to get two candles back. Ooh, that's a little too much now. Now it don't look good. Well, Oh yeah. Hmm. Oh, I see it. Yo, FOMO is screaming. Yo, what up, K1? Already out. Hey, Mogo over here heating up, man. ELWS already hot. That pullback is super negative, though, in my opinion. It don't look so bad on the one. Yeah, Mogo looking interesting. Way better setup. Because now we got a near high right there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this mug is looking good now. You said you took this already, Trey? 253 entry. Stop below of day. That's gonna be nice. Got the higher high joint. The 15. So like a 20-cent stop. So you need 40. Looking for what, 293, something like that. $3 price target. Yeah, that's awesome, Brian. That's super awesome. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, yeah. That's pretty much how it goes, Brian. I think. So, how to interpret this? The volume that came in here, I mean, it got slapped. Slapped pretty good. Right back into support. Still haven't made a low. Hmm. 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 Okay, now this candle actually made a low. Did it? Yeah. The girlfriend and wife will never understand. Hmm. This work. Whoa. Let's say 86. High flow storm. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah, I actually enjoy them because they trend nicer. Uh, Technical trader. Hmm. There's the dip and needed. Yeah. What's up, RX Trades? No trade on DAIC. You still in Mogo? You gotta be, right? Nah, come on, bro. Hey, man. I let you slide on them last couple interferences, man. I'm gonna have to go on and slide you the Cash App now, Trey. Flag on the play, interference. It's about to make you pay too. That was last month. Let's cancel that. All right. Thanks, Brian. Appreciate it, man. Hit the like. Um, well, let me reset there. Okay, got the pullback on DAIC. I'd say this level's pretty significant. Dang, I can't put it at 45. There we go. I was halted down. Good, 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 good. Man, Mogo is super tempting over here. To just take that. It's the higher high, higher low, but it didn't really hold. But then it kind of held. Not really. Yeah, I need a top side for sure. Yeah. Son. Dang, Davy's pretty good. Yeah, I couldn't mess with it. I pulled it up earlier and drew that line. It's too cheap too. Yeah, I did say too cheap. Bruh, I don't like them sub $2 joints, man. Yeah, I like the ones that go from 5 to 11. 3 to 6. Thinking this is gonna be a no-go. Guaranteed double. Guaranteed. tea. Yeah, 5 to 10 is lovely. This 15 closed up. That could be interesting. Man, she rolling. $180. Hmm. Nah, man, it ain't that at all. Yeah. Nah, it's just I don't go around taking calls. It's shorted at 302. Yeah. I think Mogo got the chance to come back more than anybody, but it's definitely got to happen over this. Over that high. Spork is hilarious though. What's beef, man? Yeah, I'm thinking that's a wrap. I don't know. The 15 may do a little higher low here and roll. Mogo just look like one of them ones though that's about to turn around and go. um, yeah, I hear you guys. Hmm. I still think we might get the reverse. I just feel like Mogo got potential. Ah, yeah, that's what's up. All right, Rob, we'll take it easy, man. All right, this low breaks right here. We're done with Mogo, and we just gonna call it. I think ELWS back to a EMA reset on that one. So need a higher high and a higher low. Both of these things below the VWAP. BMNR. was my heartbreaker from Friday. Oh my God. That's crazy. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, I think we just gotta let EWS go just for the fact that it opened below 366 and stayed below 366. Nvidia had a nice day today. It's got to be the bottom right here. The last higher low. Or a lower low. Yeah, I think that's a wrap. Actually, I said it was this low that I was gonna hold for, which is, I don't know why my crosshairs aren't working over here. It's kind of annoying. Okay. All right. Well, anyway, 232. Um, yeah. Um, definitely the windows over at lunch though. I need the trading window, and I need give back rules too. That's kind of two things that mess me up. Um, Definitely. That'll be the cap there. Yeah, I think other than that, man, the strategy is good. I'm gonna hide my P&L though. I'm gonna go back to doing that. It's a trip how you do things and then you get great results and then you just change them immediately. Like that week that I had, like I don't know what that was, 2K week. I was hiding my P&L on those days, and then I think because the following week I wasn't selling, and I was like, well, maybe if I see the P&L, it'll help me sell. But I just kind of need to disassociate the things that's happening on the chart from the P&L. Like I got to trade the chart. See, I like this. Man, I like this 15-minute. Let's wait and see though. Yeah, because when I go back and look at my red days, they're all me not trading the strategy. Like, I guess we can look at Friday, man. Really don't want to. Yeah, the max loss too, man. It's never done me any good to go past it. Yeah, golly. Dang, accuracy was trash. I don't even think I was supposed to be watching this stock. um, okay, this is the trade I almost took again just now this morning. Same situation, which tells me I need to. Well, the high volume on that one was on the green candle, which was causing for a debate in my mind. But so this type of volume peak is supposed to be the sell signal, and basically I'm supposed to put a line over the top. Like this is now the level that needs to be broken in order to trade again. Um, or I mean, you need the reset all over again. But really, I mean, this is dead now until you get a new setup. But I took it anyway, and that was kind of the same thing that was happening on what was that EWLS? That it? ELSW. What is it? I done took it off of my chart over here. Oh wait, me and Trey was talking about it. ELWS. Yeah, this same thing. This move up, huge spike in volume, and then the slam, which you like if you're in here, you got to be selling that, right? So that's definitely the sell signal. Or like if you got it in here or here, you got to be selling that. So to get in after the sell signal, like this is where I was looking for the entry, but it's kind of the same situation of, this is the new line in the sand, basically. This is clear resistance level. And jumping in after that rejection is not cool. It's super cheap, OG. It's like $3 a month or something. Uh yeah, I've actually started my Excel sheet. I just never filled it out, but yeah, because it's the same like two or three mistakes. It's usually the daily. I'm trading underneath resistance, and so I'll take the setup, but it won't go anywhere because it's running into resistance. Or I won't wait for the setup. I'll take a lower high or a lower low instead of waiting for everything to play out. Yeah. Um, yeah, it does. Seeing it plainly definitely makes a difference. Nah, for sure. I'm with it. I'm with it. Um, BMNR daily on this was really good. Oh, this was my winning trade, bruh. Only stock I needed. Yeah, this is a great trade. Yeah, see, this was trash. Like, what is this entry? Where's my trigger in on this trade? It's not there. Loss. Lower high. This is a lower high right here. Where's my trigger? It's not there. Loss. Started spazzing out, man. Just taking anything. Yep. Had a cool trade right here on GNLN. Got to the bag. Was sitting on a nice bag, man. And instead of waiting to take profit again, I added and then took a loss. Ruined that trade. Like, this was a losing trade that bruh, just like stupid stuff, man. Look at that. I don't know what happened here. I don't know how I got stopped out. Oh yeah, I didn't use 5 minute low on this entry. I didn't want to use the 5 minute low. Look at the. If only I'd been willing to use the 5 minute low on this entry. Look at the reward. Crazy. Crazy. I got so many trades like this where I was right there. It was like max loss kicked me out, or my stop loss was too tight, or I raised my stop, like getting out right at the moment of the action, bruh. I'm done with I gotta use the 5 minute low, man. It's just it is what it is. I'm done with it the other way. Yeah, I get that, but I gotta have my it just a law for me. It's gotta be under the 5 minute low. Bro, I was so close to greatness. So close to greatness. Yeah, I gotta. There's never a time when my stop should be above the last 5 minute low, unless I've taken profit. You know. But yeah, it's mistakes. It's mistakes, and every time I review, I just like the strategy. The strategy, man. Stop always got to be under. Always got to be under the 5 minute low. You always got to take some profit on the volume pops. It's just with some laws that just have to be. You always got to wait for the red candle. You know. Yeah, because I'm trying to get in there for the long. The long trend. So I need more room for it to capitulate. 15 minute candle looking real good, but we don't need it. I'm telling you, Mogo about to go. Yeah, right, right. Squashed. It hurt me. Every break I've taken though has always been super good. Every time I've stepped out and taken taken a couple days away, or you know, lowered my risk and paper traded. It's always been really good. Yeah. And I'm not gonna, when I start back, I'm not gonna have myself in that position I was in, hopefully, where I'm just every day I'm coming in trading large percentages of my account. It's just too much pressure. So, um, yeah, so I'm moving some things around and gonna make some adjustments on my next goal this month. Yeah. Yeah. I definitely got some jobs going on. Just had to get my carpentry bag back out. Yeah, it's looking kind of viable over here right now. But a reverse, especially back over 260. Well, never mind. Never mind. It don't look that done to me on the 15 though. It really doesn't. It actually looks like something explosive is about to happen. It might happen to the downside, but yeah, the daily looks disgusting actually. It's done nothing but open and fly straight to the downside. I just like this right here. This looks nice. You got the bounce and it's holding and it's making small narrow range candles. Just need to make a high. And I mean, it definitely got some volume coming in. Back over 260, man. This thing could be exciting. Head on it. Yeah, I mean, it ain't did nothing but go down. No surprise. It is looking interesting right here. Yeah, it's still doing good volume too. We shall see. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Dang, you would still be in that joint. Hell, Captain, yeah, bro, you'd have been in there a long time. But, uh, yeah, I don't know. Ain't no point in suffering that long. Did you get out what, break even? Yeah, the volume is nasty light over here. Um, that is a good question. I feel like it should be in the level 2 box. I feel like it was there. Like It was like a link right here that was like, where do you go to get, to subscribe, to get level 2, subscribe, something like that. It's been a minute though since I did it. Hey, Mo go over 250. Can we get 260? Uh-huh. Told you I wasn't dead yet. I really want to take it off the 15, man. But we're gonna trust the old 5-minute entry. Add widget. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, add widgets and order book, I think. Line the line. Yep, I got the line right there. I'm waiting on it. I'm waiting on it. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That's why. That's why you don't jump in on the 15, because the five gives you the opportunity to see if it's gonna mine the line or not. 15 is like a breakout. Yup. But it looks great on the 15 for sure. Look like ELWS want to do something too. Hey, hey, this mug is waking up, yo. The one is looking real activated. I really want to take it on the 15 and just take it right over 260. But we're gonna wait and see if we can get the pullback on the 5. But to me, this time of day, the 15 is valid, bro. But let's mine the 15. There's the entry on the 15. Just to say it out loud. So now we got a higher high over this high. And if we can get a higher low to hold 260, I'm good with that. A little worried that if it breaks this high first, though, she's going to run without us. ELWS creeping too. 273 line. Oh yeah, that was my line in the sand. mm. What is that from? That from the daily? Okay. 273. That is the daily resistance that I need to be daily support. 132 million shares. It's pretty significant. Oh yeah, man. It's a super big deal to me. Um, Super big deal. I know that if I can just repeat this process every day, that it's done. Like, the game is won. And that is the game, is to just get myself to repeat this same process every day of scanning pre-market, selecting items to watch, selecting stocks to watch based on my criteria, and only watching those, and then just waiting for the setup, like literally waiting for the EMA retest, because my best entries happen after the downtrend. So after it comes crashing back into the EMA and then it retakes it, that's my moment. And so as long as I wait for that and wait for the higher high and wait for the higher low to hold and get that red candle, and yeah, for sure there are many steps. There are many steps for sure. It's a pretty good slap there. Man, that's a cold entry on the one. Oh, cold entry on the one. And on the 15 too. This the entry, bro. It's the entry. Look at it, man. It's beautiful. It's not even gonna give me the 5 minute entry. It's about to go. It's about to go. That's okay though. Yeah, this is it though. The only thing is being below 273. That's the only thing. But kind of trampled over that line too. all the volumes over it. Mm. Yeah. Shoot, man. It's almost the entry right there. It's another lower high though. It's trying. Yeah, you ain't lying, Trey. Mm.
Order filled.
All right, here we go. Let's see here. This guy, 276, 273, 276 is like the first worrisome level. We can get through there over 280, be feeling real comfortable. Yeah, we got to get that 276 break for sure. Hey, ELWS, man. 73. 74. Let us go. Let me get that $3 down. Come on, 280. There's that 277. Got over this high. Hey. Come on, give me 280. We cooking over 280. Hey, I told you, man. EWLS over here just popped. I could see it brewing. Shoot, we just need to pull back on that joint now. Hey, we got 280. We cooking now. We cooking now. VWAP up here looking kind of intimidating at 292. I really want to sell at 3. We got 296 over here. I think that would be more advisable to try to sell under there. So maybe like 291 would be a good spot to make sure we get some profit. I really want 3. Hmm. Looking now. Um, basically trade 5 minute up. I look for 5 minute uptrends um, on low floats that are gapping up with news. Um, I wait for a pullback on the 5:15 and look for the beginning of the uptrend to hop on. I got to think of a more concise way to explain what it is I'm doing exactly. But basically, the anatomy of uptrends and downtrends, I just wait for it to stop downtrending and start uptrending. So when it's makes that first higher high and higher low over the EMA, that's when I'm looking to take an entry. Yeah, ELWS just couldn't hold up, yo. It couldn't hold up. Uh-oh, this one might not hold up either. Profitable enough to make a living? It could be. It definitely could be. Well, now we're into lunchtime. I had my first profitable month, which was that May? Yeah, May. And kind of crashed out the end of May, beginning of June, and I think I put the pieces back together pretty good by the end of June, but account just been trading with a super small account. And when I grew my account in my profitable month in May, I took the money out. And yeah, so try that one more time and try to get some cushion in before we start taking some withdrawals. I think it's looking pretty good though. Only need one. VWAP is still 291. Man, I really want threes, but oh, over the line. Yeah, be better if it could have been add a little. Yeah, these are the ad spots though, for sure, for sure. But I'm not trying to add that complication right now. I guess it's kind of like the stack, kind of showing you where the side of the orders that's heaviest. You know, so there's more orders sitting on the ask side than the bid side. It's pretty cool, I think. Ooh. Ooh la la. Like it. I don't think they used to have this, man. All they show is NASDAQ, though, huh? I guess maybe that's all I'm paying for. Gotta subscribe. Yeah, see, this is what I was saying. It should say if you're not subscribed. Yeah. Yeah, I don't need all that. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Man, I know that ain't it. I know that ain't it. Come on, Bugs. Let's get it on up there to that TP. To that TP. Dang, is that it? Is that the sell? Can't be. Just getting started on the five, yo. It's literally like the first real higher high. It is like the fourth green candle in a row, though, on the 15. Hmm. We take this high out, man. We should be gooch. Yeah, I'm going a little past that 294, which is just below this peak over here. I just I just want a little bit more than 291. But that's my idea is I want to get some out on this test of VWAP, and I'm hoping it's just strong enough to pop through a little bit past 90. Cuz I mean, this should trend for a minute based, my entry. Yeah, there's still some general principle places that I want to sell, or at least look to sell. And I don't have my hotkey right now, so I kind of just want to have the order out there. Maybe 89 was that number. That would have been like the super safest number to do 89, 2 cents under VWAP. What did it get to? 90. Yeah, that would have been the super safe. But just kind of expecting this thing to make some more moves. I mean, I really wanted it at 297, so there we go. There we go. Come on, baby. Take that order. Take it on out. Take it on out. Yeah.
Order filled.
Alright. Man, I don't get no execution up here, bro. That's whack. Uh, yeah, where's the buy and sell? Womp womp. Okay. Well, we got that first target off. I would say, I mean, next target 350, really, if we were calling targets. Yeah, it's just not free though. Yeah. I only took off a third right there because I felt like I was kind of compromising on my target. So I just wanted to get some off on GP, but I really wanted three. So I'm probably gonna sell a few more soon. Hey, we riding VWAP on the top side now. Yeah, buddy. Stop should be break even. Let's put that in there. To 266. Yep. Actually, what's this low? Okay, 266 is the last low too, so we're good. That's a great level. Haha, what up, Trey? Yeah, we in there, baby. We in there. The setup is just like I'm telling you, man. The setup is fire, bro. It's just hard to be patient for it. But when it like it's fire. It's straight hot fire. It's just I gotta pay attention to the disqualifiers, and I gotta not trade the crappy dailies, and I gotta actually wait for the higher high. Yeah, this me that sucks. Yep. Stop interfering, big dog. I be trying to tell you, let it ride. Yep. Now I'm feeling like I should have had my $3 PT, but I did. I'm good with the responsible sales. I'm good with the responsibles. Because if it would have rejected VWAP and I didn't sell anything, then I'd be like, man, why didn't I sell some at VWAP? Even though I don't even normally watch VWAP. That's a trip too. But it was more so this high right here that I was trying to sell underneath than VWAP. But it definitely influenced my decision there. And I don't think that's a bad thing. Something that gets me to sell is a good thing for sure. Let's see here. What is this? 36. 336. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sell some before that level. Maybe 327 or something. I should have got some off right there. It's a pretty high volume candle. $305. This the pullback on VWAP right here. This is looking pretty nice. Got to get some off through that high on GP. If it tests it again. That's it. Ooh, look at the bounce. I hope this ain't a 15-minute pullback, but I mean, it's kind of time. It's kind of time.
Order filled.
Okay. Make up for not selling on that last pop. And now hmm, looking real squeezy right now, huh? That's not what I was trying to do. Man, I forgot they got second charts on here. That's crazy. We could trade like Ross in this joint. That's wild. Is that what you need to make it work? Got to build the network. Better than Reddit. All right, let's see here. Okay, so this 15-minute candle closed. Hmm, 279. It already broke the low. It's really. Hmm. Well, stops to break even. Um, taking two, taken out twice already. So I think we can wait for a little bit, see if we can hold a higher low here and get that move up to 336. Hey, yo. Looking pretty good. It just looked really good on the 15, man. Like, for the run it had pre-market and the pullback to the EMA, like, it looked great. Now we just gotta see. B, back over 3. We'll get a new high here. I can move my stop up under 279. That'll put us about 12 cents in the money on the stop, which is cool. What a thing to just sit here and intently watch this price action for years. It definitely becomes something after a while. Yeah, less clicking. You did call it this morning. We'll see, man. Trying to get back over 3 to really see what's popping. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I mean the breakdown was solid, man. It wasn't like uh ELWS that just broke down super bad in pre-market and just never really got any traction back. Might as well take your profits. You always saying something done for the day. It's because you don't believe in my strategy, bro. But look at it. Look at it at work right now. We're already taking profit twice. Stop is at break even. I know, right? Yeah. No, I took this trade before noon, I believe. My stats are bad, man, because I don't trade it consistently enough. Like my stats are super mixed in with a lot of trades that don't line up with this strategy, unfortunately. Um, my cleanest month was last month, and I was about 40%, 2-to-1 ratio. No, I'm talking about May, like my profitable month. Nah, last month was trash. One is looking really solid. We can get the higher high on the 5. That'll also give us the higher high on the 5th. Well, we got the higher high and the higher low now. Just waiting on the next one on the 5. Yep. uh, it was my first time getting it to a whole month knives. It was usually like do well for a couple days, crash out. Do well for a week, crash out. Yeah. I think that when I get better, I think this strategy could easily yield me 60% or better. It's sadly what happened again. Yeah. Uh, come on, baby. This mug is looking good, y'all. It's looking good. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 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 for sure. I actually prefer the higher price stocks. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just shoot, man. 10, 15, $20, man. I love those levels. Riding that VWAP, man. Just take it on up. Take it on up, man. Yeah, they just seem more stable to me. Yeah, I definitely like them a lot more. I actually have a limit on my scanner. I don't even look at them under 250. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop under 277 just because it's getting kind of late. I think it's like the active top fans. It says top fans. Yeah, like you get, I guess there's XP grades. You get XP for, I think just interacting with my channel. So you've done a lot in a short time, Red Devil. That's a high volume of criticisms. Oh, okay, for sure. All right, here we go. Here we go. Need y'all to hit that like for me, that share button, so we can get to 1K, man. It's been a grinding road. Constructive criticism. Yeah, that's about what it's been. That comment right there, Trex. Just waiting to see for you to give up on your strategy. Deconstructive criticism. Maybe I should have used Trading View. At least I would have get. Do they get show the executions on Trading View? That might be the lick tomorrow. What's up, Real Ghost? Yeah. My account's in the poorhouse and I'm in the paper trading house till further notice. But other than that, took a nice setup on Mogo. And I've taken profit at 294 and 303. Those are really close together targets, but I guess 10 cent apart's not bad. Now I'm waiting for 327. No, I have. I started out with 600 shares. I took 200 off at 294 and took um, another 100 off at 303 back through the highs and stops at break even. Mentally, I can't for some reason have both my take profit and stop in. Um, yeah. All right, so yeah, again, Trex, this is the level of constructive criticism I've been getting from Red Devil. Dang, that looks kind of good though. The Espino volume. Right. For sure. As long as it helps the algorithm. That's literally what I've done though, bro. That's why I feel like you just got here, man. Like I got a year's worth of videos on here of trading with real money from risks up to $250 a trade down to $5 a trade. So I've put my dues in. I'm here because I gotta be. Like I said, bro, if you wanna, you're welcome to donate to the account, bro, and I will gladly switch back to money trading tomorrow. Yeah, for sure. It's a good. I mean, I think you need to trade paper until at least you feel like you found like your spot, and you've found some sort of consistency. Like, all right, yeah, I'm really good at trading these triangles. I'm really good at trading these trend lines or whatever. I think I'm going to focus on that, and then you build yourself a playbook, your rules or whatever, and then you jump in there with some money. But just jumping out there day one, trading real money, nah, I don't think that's smart. You don't even know how to put together a sell order yet. All right, 314. Let's go. I don't think 327 is too much to ask. I actually want to put it at 333, 332. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Trey. That's just logical, bro. You do need to work on the emotions, but there's no point in working on the emotions before you actually have a tangible process to approach the market. Uh, I don't know, man. When I first started trading, yeah, like I don't even know what like day one, I had like two patterns. Uh, You're saying I have no system or I have no process, or are you saying success has no system and process? Oh yeah. Well, the main reason I'm target selling because I don't have hotkeys set up on this platform, and I would actually say the target selling is probably better than having my finger floating over the button and expecting to sell on the when it feels right, basically. I kind of think you look at it so micro that you don't see that in fact selling your losers immediately and banking on the winners is a process. That is a process, and there is, if you needed to tell somebody to do that, there would be some steps that you would write down to tell them how to do that. So it's still a process. As simple as you want to make it and as micro as you want to make it, it's still a process. Just like buying and hoping for it to go to your target. Even though your target is super small and you're in and out really fast, that still doesn't take out the element of hope in between your purchase and your sale. Because it's not a guarantee. Oh, snaps. Do we have target fill?
Order filled.
Yes, we do. Yo, you see what I'm saying, Red Devil? Like, you think it's stupid to wait for all these confirmations, but I got in at 266 and I've been selling all the way up just according to my strategy, bro. I just top ticked that joint. Yeah, I don't know. It's just started today, bro. It's like XP points, top fans. HH, you down here at 125, man. I'm gonna need you to step it up a little bit, all right? Need some comments and likes, bro. Hit that like button, man. Appreciate it, Trey. But this is the setup. This is how it works. You gotta wait for it, and you can't break the rules. You can't anticipate. Like, just gotta wait. Man, appreciate that, HH. Is that it? I don't know. We just made a higher high on the 15 after going sideways for a minute, man. I think 350's incoming. You add to all winners. What do you mean I add to winners? What, bro, what? Add more money to it, buy more shares. Oh, I mean, I actually love adding. I'm actually not adding right now to try and simplify the most important part of this process, and it's just taking quality entries. And yeah, so I believe in adding, but um Just not right now. Yeah. Easily stop can be under 289 at this point. That's all right. It's all right. It's going to be a time when you come in here and you're going to be like, hey, bro, what do you think about XYZ stock? And then I'm going to pull it up and I'm going to tell you what I think about it. That's all I got to say. Yeah, that's definitely the plan. Good buddy. Nah, bro. It's going down, man. It's going down. I got you, bro. I got you, Red Devil. Don't even worry about it, bro. We here, man. We here. That's the part, Knives. That's the part. Because I feel like experience would have you looking at me a little differently. Knives. So that's the part where Red Devil's kind of getting me like, what's the K info, Red Devil? We need the K info, bro, right now. um, well, mm, all right, we out of there. You gonna start a YouTube channel? Red is a bench warmer. K Info is a really cool social website that a lot of traders use to verify their trading info for these types of conversations, to validate. Hey man, look it over here. ELSW did the thing. Wasn't even watching it. ELWS did the thing over here. Right there was the entry. Yep, did the thing. Nice little risk to reward entry on that candle too. But I don't know if the volume would have. The volume is so low. Yeah, it wouldn't have been worth getting into. But the setup was there. Yeah, it's yeah, like it connects to your broker so that you can't like fabricate results and all of that stuff. It's pretty cool. It has like rankings and all of that. Um, is it safe? Yeah, it's supposed. You know, it's gotta be. That would be quite the travesty. I don't think anybody would want to be connecting their accounts to it, but yeah, man, it's pretty cool. Check it out, man. I'm on there. I was having a fun time in May running up the rankings. Got up to like 155 on the month for the crash out. But all right, y'all, that was it, man. That was an awesome trade on Mogo today. One and done. Looks like we made 186 bucks on that thing. Not too bad. Paper trade, good execution of the strategy. I'm good with that, bro. I think the many of the other traders who've gone through this grind of trying to become profitable understand those moments when you need to step back into the paper trading account. And, you know, I'm good with that. It's not the funnest thing to come on here and be in the paper account and have to explain that, you know, I'm not in my money account right now. I'm in timeout and all that stuff. But my whole objective was to show the real journey of this thing. And so, you know, it does come with a lot of downs and you know, like literal heartbreak and you know, massive disappointment. And then you have the moments that I had last month where I had my first $1,000 days, you know, and where I could just I realized, you know, what could the possibilities and what could happen if I stay locked in. So, you know, we'll be back. Don't get all emotional. I'm not getting emotional, bro. I'm just explaining. Just explaining. Yeah, the one and done's for sure. I mean, when this just a lot of it is my expectation of taking 4 and 5 trades every day. And when in reality, it's probably going to be like 2 or 3 trades a week, maybe 4 trades a week. And I think accepting that and accepting that there's when the days that there are no opportunities, not feeling like I got to fight a trade out, but to just be like, all right, this is just one of those days where there's no opportunity. And the best play is to not trade and just come back tomorrow. Because when there is opportunity, you know, we're going to take care of business. So anyway, yeah, man, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. I will be back tomorrow, God willing. And keep trying to, you know, just put these habits in place that I'm very sure will get me to the goal, despite Red Devil. Anyway, appreciate y'all. Y'all be safe out here. Peace.